What's going on, YouTube family? Welcome back to another video. As always, it's your boy Bobby back again. Now guys, I've been receiving this question quite often. There's a lot of people commenting, especially on my old video, which I'm gonna link up there.
Oh Bobby, how do you deal with frizzy hair? How do you deal with long frizzy hair? My hair is kind of like yours, but then it gets frizzy in the back and I just don't know how to deal with it. Bobby, can you help me out?
That's exactly why I'm making this video, guys. I'll be completely honest with you guys. This hair right now that you see, I did style my hair this morning, but I did go to the gym, so this is with like all sweat and just like completely working out, not really caring what my hair looked like, and it still looks nice and defined. You can see that the curls are nice and tight. It's not like really frizzy curls, as you can see. They're nice and tight, and a lot of people have been asking me how I'm able to achieve this, because as you guys might have seen in my old video, my hair naturally, without any products in it, after I shampoo and condition it, it looks kind of frizzy. It looks really like uncontrolled and it looks really all over the place. So I decided to make this video for you guys. I'm gonna give you guys the secret sauce, every single thing that I do to be able to, oh, the hose, I'm just kidding, it's probably my girl. I'm gonna give you guys the secret sauce to achieve not frizzy, nice long luscious curls like these. I'm not even gonna brag too much about these right now because I need to take a shower and wash my head, but guys, I'm gonna give you guys a secret sauce. There's pretty much only 4 main items that I use, and these are a little bit more expensive, so I'm probably gonna make a video later on in the future on some cheaper options for all you broke boys out there.
Got it!
Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna give you guys the first, actually let me break down what my routine looks like so that you guys can get a little bit understanding on how I go about this. So every single day there's one product that I use day in and day out, and you might have seen in one of my old videos, and that is the Cantu leave-in conditioner cream or the Cantu curling cream. There's 2 different ones. Personally, I feel like they both work really well. This one, I feel like this one, I guess, makes the curls more natural because it's more like a leave-in conditioner, and then you kind of leave it in your hair, and it doesn't really make your hair like dark, like greasy. It doesn't look greasy. The other one kind of makes your hair like a little greasy. You look like a greasy ass dude, like, you know what I'm saying? So this one is pretty good in terms of keeping your hair kind of natural looking, which is why I use this one every single day. And if you guys want, I'm gonna leave a link in the description where you can find it on Amazon. I'm pretty sure you can find it cheaper in other places, but if you want to just order it straight from Amazon, I'm gonna leave it down in the links below. And guys, that's the product that I use day in and day out. I'm not gonna talk too much about that product because pretty much all my 2 videos about curly hair have been me talking about that product and how it's amazing and why I like it. So if you guys want to check that out, boom, there's the video, go click on it. Now guys, with that being said, there's a routine that I follow that I've said in my past videos, and that is I pretty much shampoo and condition my hair only 2 to 3 times a week, sometimes even 1 time. And I promise you guys, my head is clean. Pause, my boys. Anyways guys, like for real, like that is the key to keeping your hair from getting all frizzy and getting like it looks like this damaged look. And I mean, I don't know if it's just me personally or if other you guys have experienced this, but when I shampoo and condition my hair looks like ball sacks. It looks like a broom, like legit, like a mop is on my head is what my hair looks like, which is why I decided to like kind of slow it down with the shampoo, because I started realizing shampooing my hair too much, just what it does is it removes all the natural oils from my head, and it makes it dry, and it makes split ends happen, and my hair gets damaged. And then ultimately what I have to end up doing is chopping all my hair off and starting fresh again, and I hate that so much. A lot. This right here, guys, this is about, I want to say 5 months, don't quote me on that, maybe 4, maybe 5 months or so. I made a video where my hair was like super short like a long time ago. I was talking about my haircut and like what I get, and it's been like 4 months since that video, and my hair is pretty long, as you can see. So guys, right now what I'm trying to do is grow out the hair as much as I can. I'm in the like in between phase, which is kind of awkward, you know, like my hair kind of sits kind of weird and funky sometimes, but I have to just keep working through it and try to like make it work, and I definitely try my best to make it work. Sometimes I even rock bandanas. It look pretty dope, like especially when I'm in the gym. I'll rock a bandana. I don't like wearing hats too much because after I take the hat off after a while, it kind of looks what the hell? I just burped, coughed, and hiccuped at the same time. Alright. Oh man, am I dying? God. Alright guys, I think we're good. I think we're good. But yeah. Hold on guys, I'm gonna have to get some water real quick. Thirsty. Anyways, like I was saying guys, these two products right here are my go-to shampoo and conditioner. There's other good options like Pantene. Pantene has some pretty good stuff, but me personally, I like using the coconut and hibiscus curl and shine shampoo by Shea Moisture, with silk, protein, and neem oil. All sounds like good stuff for your hair. And then I like to use my coconut hibiscus curl and shine conditioner. I use this 1 to 3 times a week depending on how I feel like my hair's oiliness is. If it looks too oily and I can go like this and I have a blob of grease on my fingers, obviously that day I'm gonna shampoo my hair and condition it. Always condition your hair. As you can see, I have way less conditioner than I do shampoo. It's just like my personal thing. I don't know how you guys do your thing, but me personally, conditioner is more important than shampoo because the conditioner is pretty much replenishing what the shampoo is taking away. So if you have a good conditioner that can make up for your crappy ass shampoo, which this is not crappy ass, I'm just saying in general, if you can't afford both of these, you get a crappy shampoo and you get a good conditioner. That's all I'm trying to say. Alright guys, and with that being said, this is gonna bring me to my last product, and that's gonna be, boom, the coconut oil right here guys. Don't worry about the brand. This is just like a whatever Target brand. You guys can use pretty much any coconut oil that is, there's a specific formulated, it has to be natural coconut oil. Get yourself some coconut oil, because what's gonna happen is guys, when you shampoo your hair, even though you have a really good conditioner like Shea Moisture conditioner, your hair is gonna get dry AF, and this coconut oil is gonna help replenish all those oils that you removed from your scalp. And guys, that's pretty much the secret to how you can maintain unfrizzy curly hair. So like, another tip I'm gonna give you guys is, don't mess around with the hair too much. Let the hair sit and dry. Let it get nice and moist with the water, and you put your what if you shampoo that day, you put your coconut oil, and every single day you put on your Cantu leave-in conditioner guys, and you're just gonna like play it into your hair. I'm gonna leave a video here where you can see how I did this. Play it into your hair guys, and just let it dry naturally. Don't like blow dry it. Don't, you're just damaging your hair. Just let it sit. You might look kind of funky and you might look like you just hopped out of the shower looking like a wet ass dude, but I guarantee you guys, it's gonna pay off, man. Your curls gonna look fire. The girls, they're gonna love them. You know what they say, curls for the girls. Let's get it, man. But anyways guys, I'm mumbling on. I hope you guys enjoyed these tips. If you did, please be sure to hit that subscribe button down there, and don't forget to share with a friend and hit that like button while you're at it. And if you guys have any other types of questions, you guys want to see my do my full routine type of video, I can show you guys how I shampoo my hair and how I condition it, because there's also a secret technique on how you can make your curls tight by simply doing this one move. And if you guys want, I can give you that secret. Just let me know in the description, let me know in the comment section, and I will bless you guys with that secret. But that's enough rambling on. As always, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Remember to savage responsibly in whatever it is that you do. Peace out.